Hey everybody, how's it going? So today we're going to do a video on the Dewalt 12V Xtream Recip plus the free 5 amp hour battery I got. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Hey everybody, how's it going? Alright, so I picked up several of the Dewalt Xtream 12V tools from Lowe's. This was a deal where you spend 99 bucks on the Recip and you got a free 5 amp hour battery. So I have the receipt right here. 99 bucks for the tool, 5 amp hour shows on the receipt is free. I will also provide a we'll separate the video, we'll stop the video, and I'll put physical photos in. This is Delta Charlie Sierra 312 Bravo. So DCS312 Bravo. We're going to stop the video right here and insert those photos for you guys. Alright everybody, we're back. So we're going to open this box up. This is the only tool that does not come with two 2 amp hour batteries, charger, and a bag, and a free 5, because this is a bare tool. So let's get this box open. And you can actually, for these little plastic straps, you can actually find the attachment point where they're glued together. You can just peel them apart and they come off. Or you can cut them, like most people. Most people just cut them off. So, information on this saw on the back is stroke length is 5/8 of an inch or 16 millimeters. Strokes per minute is 0 to 2,800 strokes per minute. Tool length is 12.12 inches. And tool weight's 3.4 pounds. This does have a 2020 stamp on it. Pop the box open. And this is the one-handed Recip. It's always interesting how Dewalt does that. Stanley Black & Decker, they actually literally have it set out where you can put a shipping label straight on the box like that. You got your instruction booklet. Does not look like it has any weird frequency paperwork or anything like that. Does come with a couple blades. Get the box out the way. Take the bag off. There's the tool right there. So it does come with a couple small little Recip blades. This is actually the only Dewalt Recip that I have other than, well, I wouldn't say it's the only one I have. I have the flexible Recip, and that's the only other Dewalt Recip I have. I have a lot of Milwaukee Recips. So it comes with a wood with nail 6 TPI. So this would be 6 toothes per minute, or per inch I should say, not minute. Then it also comes with a bimetal 18 TPI, 18 toothes per inch. It's a little shorty. These blades are pretty small and compact. I'm sure that you can use a longer blade in these. That blade is very compact though. I do like the the collar. It does not have a quick insert. I don't know if it has a quick insert. Let's see. Does not have a quick insert. Does not have a spring loaded release or anything like that. But it does have nice easy wing that you can touch to remove. Oops, sorry for hitting the camera, guys. Knocked you out. Alright, so here's the longer blade. Fits nice and tight. Here's the free battery I got with the purchase. Just use the Warrior cutter to cut the packaging so we can get the battery out. The battery. Plastic cuts out. Trash. So this battery does come with 1 bar on it. And these 2 amp hour batteries right here, they charge pretty quick. It only, on this 4 amp charger, it charges these 2 amp hours from 1 bar to 3 bars completely full. From what I have seen, by charging them and recording a couple videos, because I've been charging them during the videos. It's like 12 to 15 minutes. It's not really that bad. I will end up letting you guys know what it takes to charge one of the 5 amp hours. If you guys want to see me actually record a 4 amp charger versus a 2 amp charger versus a 6 amp charger versus a 1.7 amp charger and a 0.7 amp charger, let me know, and I could set up a video where we can see how fast they charge in each for each charger, and we could do it with a 5 amp hours. I have 4 5 amp hours, so not a big deal. But I don't know if you guys want to see that kind of video. But lock switch is pretty nice and easy. You just push it in to lock it, push it towards your left if you're right-handed to unlock it. Does have a nice large light right here, kind of recessed into the tool. This is me going through the variable speed trigger. So definitely has a very, very large, variable speed trigger. It's quite controllable. So if I change the view, go to this side. You can hear the difference in the tones. It's definitely got a lot of different speed adjustments from the variable speed. To me, it sounded like it was, I don't know, 10 or 12, maybe a little more. 1, 13 to 14. So that is pretty nice. This battery is completely empty too. It's got 1 bar. And it's running this tool just fine. Tool's not hot yet, but I'm not using it on anything at the moment. This is just, you know, free RPM speed. 0 to 2800 strokes per minute. This is a fast little tool. When you get to the speed 13, 14, it does vibrate a little bit in your hand. But this tool will more than likely work a lot better for my wife when she wants to cut little, you know, things down, or, you know, she can use this in her gardening. It's got overmold on both sides, so you can lay it down here and here in the battery section. And it doesn't come with a belt clip. That's why this section is filled in. This little lip on the inside would be where the belt clip slides into this little hook, and then you would bolt it here. But you know, you don't need a belt hook for a tool like this. This is a nice little tool. I do like the blade release is pretty easy to use. I do wish it had a articulating shoe, but it doesn't. But it's not too big deal. I have the Milwaukee M18 fuel, as well as the Milwaukee M12 fuel, and then I have the Super Sawzall, and then I have the Dewalt Flex Volt saw that came out several years ago, and now I have this little M12 one. It's very nicely balanced, to be honest with you, with a 5. It feels real nice in the hand with a 5, to me. The little stubby blade is pretty nice too. Definitely sounds kind of odd at the higher speed. Like it's just moving way too fast, but you know, I'm sure it will hold up. If I smoke the tool or anything like that, guys, I will let you know. If it doesn't hold up, I will let you know. I know that VCG Construction, put a link up here, he's done some videos on this versus, I believe, the Atomic 20 volt, and this stood up better than the Atomic. I don't necessarily like the Atomic tools. I don't have any. I don't, you know, particularly care for them. They're just the Xtream version for Home Depot is all they are. But for 99 bucks, get this saw, and you can stand it up like this too if you want. Lay it down either side, no big deal. But for 99 bucks and a 5 amp hour battery for free, it's a pretty killer deal. If you guys want to see me showing you guys information about different chargers, I did show in the drill driver and the 1/4 inch impact driver for the Xtream 12 volt line. I did show some information on those. Those videos are 19-20 minutes. This one's at 13 so far. So which of these two tools right here? All in all, it's a very nice little unit. I haven't used it yet. I will definitely get to it. I do like that when there's not a battery on it, that this is angled perfectly to sit on a table. It is a nice little unit. Doesn't smell when you're using it, so it's definitely nice. I know some tools, they stink when you use them, but I will put that link up here for VCG's video on, I believe, the Xtream versus the Atomic, I believe is what he did the video on. I could be wrong. It might be the Xtream versus something else, or the Atomic versus something else, but I'm pretty sure he did do a video on the Xtream versus the Atomic. Appreciate you guys watching, checking out the video. It's not a bad deal for 99 bucks. The deal ends on April 28th. By the time you guys see this video, that deal had been gone, long gone. This video I'm probably going to release somewhere in like September, October of 21. I got a lot of videos to get out, a lot of content for you guys. And I put the videos out in the order that I record them. I do appreciate you guys stopping by. Please like, comment, subscribe, smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. This tool did not come with a charger or a battery, or a charger or a bag, which is still not bad. Especially if you're buying some of the kits. You can buy 4 of the kits and get a free 5. The hammer drill and the screwdriver are the 2 tools that are not a part of the promotion. Like, comment, subscribe, smush the bell notification, like always. Do have an Ulsa Tools link at the top of the description. It will get you 10% off your order at Ulsa Tools if you do use it. And it will get, yeah, excuse me guys, it'll give me 10% off my next order from Ulsa Tools when you do use it. All my affiliate links are commission links, so if you use one, I do get commission for you guys using it. Doesn't cost you anything extra. You just click on the link, you know, order whatever you want to order, and I get a commission for you using the link. It is much appreciated if you do use them. I do appreciate it a lot because it pays me, helps me bring tools like this to the channel. I made some money off of YouTube in the last couple months, as well as the affiliate links, so I ended up using that money to put it back into the channel by picking up a deal on some Milwaukee M18 switch tanks. So those will be here. So I do very much appreciate that you guys are watching the videos and you guys are commenting and liking and using the affiliate links, because it is definitely helping bring tools to the channel. All the money goes to me bringing tools to the channel or buying equipment to make the videos better. Appreciate you guys' time. Hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and thank you guys so much for watching. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace!